Hello, welcome to Python code series. In this video, I'm going to discuss the program how to calculate the average of an array. So let's first discuss the algorithm. So suppose we have an array. So what I will do, I will iterate over the elements of the array. So I will take a dummy variable which has value 0, and I will add the first element value to that variable. So I will keep on going like this until I get to the end of the array, and then I will get the sum of all the elements, and then I divide this total sum by the total number of elements in the array. So this will give me the average of the array. So let's implement this algorithm using Python code. So suppose this is my array having element 4, 8, 0, 9, 6, 7. So initially I have taken a dummy variable which having value 0, so that I can add the array's element in this dummy variable. So this is my for loop. So to iterate over the elements of the array, so in the first iteration I will take value 4. So this is my first iteration. I will take value 4, and it will go to the block of the for loop. This is my for loop block. I have given 4 space. So this is because the indentation is used for giving the block in Python. So I am giving somewhat 4 space. So sum equals to sum plus I. So my new value to the sum variable will be 0 plus 4. 0 plus 4 equals to 4. So my sum value, variable value will become 4. Now it will go to the second iteration. So the second iteration I will take value 8. So this sum plus I, which is 4 plus 8 equals to 12. So the value of sum will become 8. In the third iteration, I will become 0. So 12 plus 0 equals to 12. So in the fourth iteration, my I is 9, this 9. So sum plus I, which is 12 plus 9 equals to 21. So my sum value will modify to 21. In the fifth iteration, I will take value 6. So sum plus I, 21 plus 6 equals 27. In sixth iteration, it will take value 7. I will take value 7. So 27 plus 7 equals to 34. So the sum of elements of this array is 34. So sum is 34, and the length of this array, so number of elements in this array is the length of the array. So this len function will give the length of the array, which is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 34 divided by 6. So if I calculate the average, it will 5.67. So at last it will print the average value, which is 5.67. So at the end I will get value 5.67. So thanks.